2, 3, 4, get on the dance floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, get on the dance floor. Shake the boot, shake the top of the rod. Show it up, hit it, hit the party. Hit it, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, get on the dance floor. Shake the boot, shake the top of the rod.
1, 2, 3, 4. मेहरबानी नहीं तुम्हारा प्यार मांगा है, तुम्हें मंजूर है तभी तो यार मांगा है। गैरों के डर से तेरे शहर से है कसम रिश्ता तोड़ू ना, तेरा रास्ता मैं छोड़ू ना। बस हो गया।
It was a treat as the team of Chennai Express launched the music of their film at an impressive event held at a 5-star hotel in Mumbai. Let's take a look at the highlights.
This is a music launch, and as I said, we'll get over with it fast. Want to thank everyone. Our special guest tonight here, all the way from Hyderabad, Chennai and Kerala, because she works everywhere. Priya Mani, thank you, darling, for being here. God bless you. And a solid bad guy. We don't have Satya Rajji here, who's also played an important role in the film, but this is the boy to watch out for. The bad guy, who Deepika actually likes a lot in the film and stuff. I've got problems with that, but Niketan, thank you Niketan for being here. And everyone else, Karuna's here, Kareem is here, Yogesh. And the two main people, what would you like to do is I'm going to hand the mic over to Shekhar of Vishal Shekhar, because this is a music launch, so this evening belongs to them and then to you guys. Keep on whistling, okay, when the music plays. Come on everyone, whistle together.
First of all, this journey has been beautiful for us, and thank you so much, Shah Rukh. Thank you, Rohit, for having us on board Chennai Express.
खान साहब, मुबारकबाद की म्यूजिक आ गया फाइनली। सवाल ये है कि मौका है, दस्तूर है, सबने गा दिया है, आज के दिन प्लीज अगर आप गाओगे तो ये सब शांत हो जाएंगे।
मैं शेखर और अमिताभ को कहूंगा मेरे साथ गाना गाएं।
प्लीज प्लीज,
ये मेरा पिक्चर का फेवरेट गाना है। 1, 2, 3, 4। मेहरबानी नहीं तुम्हारा प्यार मांगा है, तुम्हें मंजूर है तभी तो यार मांगा है। गैरों के डर से तेरे शहर से है कसम रिश्ता तोड़ू ना, तेरा रास्ता मैं छोड़ू ना। बस हो गया।
म्यूजिक लॉन्च से पहले ही म्यूजिक इतना हिट हो गया है, लोगों को बहुत पसंद आ रहा है, तो आपको कैसा लगता है पर्सनली जब इस तरीके की चीजें होती हैं?
बेइंतहा बुरा लगता है। कैसा लगेगा? पागल हो गए हम लोग तो यार। ये हम खुशी से पागल हो गए। अगर और हमको अच्छा लगे तो हम छत में फाड़ के ऊपर निकल जाएंगे। बट हैविंग सेड दैट, आई वांट टू थैंक टी सीरीज भूषण, जो बहुत मदद करते हैं, नॉट ओनली इन द बिजनेस पार्ट ऑफ इट बट इन द क्रिएटिव पार्ट ऑफ इट। और इनकी समझ बहुत ऊंची है म्यूजिक के बारे में। सो थैंक यू भूषण फॉर हेल्पिंग अस। एंड ऑफ कोर्स विशाल एंड शेखर, वी वर्क विद देम फॉर years. Rohit has worked with them for years and they've come up with such a wonderful score. So we want to only thank them. इनके बिलीव से, इनके गानों से, इनके लिरिक्स से, जैसे अमिताभ के और भूषण के बिलीव से, कि हमारे को ये फ्रीडम देते हैं और हमको गाइड करते हैं. So we are really happy, and you know, as the days go by, you will understand each song is very meaningful in the film, and I'm sure everybody is going to enjoy it.
कितना एक्सपीरियंस आपका जुड़ा हुआ है चेन्नई के साथ, और कितना मजा आया आपको चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस करते हुए रोहित शेट्टी के साथ?
बहुत 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 मज़ा आया, and I think the fun that I have had on this film, I think you can see. I felt extremely liberated as an actor with Shah Rukh and Rohit around. You're not listening to me.
Shah Rukh, please, खामोश.
I'm just going to stop.
दीपिका बात कर रही है यार, please.
Yeah, so that's it.
Rohit, my question is for you. I want to know, you've always sort of blasted cars in all your movies. Do we see you blasting trains now?
No, I'm not blasting any train, but you'll have a blast watching this film.
Yes.
A lot have been talked about this. Can you tell us about the surrogacy? Yes,
I could say no to you right now.
Yes,
and get it on with it. This is Get on the Train Baby, not my baby. And I'll tell you with honesty, I'll tell you something. It's extremely personal, confidential, and I would request everyone here tonight to have a great time. It is a little mix of sadness and happiness, what's happening at this point of time. And I would request everyone, including the concerned authorities, to show the same alacrity in finding out and doing the enthusiastic investigation they are doing upon my baby, upon other things which they should be lending their thoughts to right now. But having said that, when the sad part of it gets over, of course I'll share everything with you. So God bless you. This is the last question. This one is, Get on the Train Baby. My baby will talk some other time.
This question is about the song 1, 2, 3, 4. It's already becoming a huge hit. But I'd like to ask you, we are told that you were going through a lot of pain while you were shooting the song. Could you talk about that song, please?
Actually, I wasn't going through any pain at all. The only person who had pain dancing with was Priyamani. Because the poor young lady had to keep on doing it again and again and again. और पहली बार मेरे साथ काम कर रही थी तो बहुत इज्जत दिखा रही थी. मैंने 4 बार बोला भी I'm really sorry. No, I also like to rehearse a lot. I'm all right. बेचारी 3 रातों के लिए आई थी, 5 रातें वहाँ पे गंवाई इसने और आखिर तक मेरी बहुत इज्जत करती रही. The only pain I had in my feet, I don't wear boots. Though next time I do a film with Deepika, I will be on stilts. But it was very painful dancing. That's all. Otherwise, it was. And you should ask her actually. Please tell them that I wasn't as bad as I've told you.
He wasn't bad at all. Like as he said, I didn't undergo any pain or anything. He's just being too sweet, that's it. And I think the experience was lovely, and I just like to thank Rohit and Shah Rukh and all the producers for having me a part of Chennai Express.
Chennai Express is another star in your filmography now. Talking about your struggling period, how is it for you as an outsider, because you had no filmy background? For you, was it easy, difficult? If you could tell us a bit.
No, I think Mumbai and the film industry and everybody's been very kind to me. I don't have a struggling period to talk about. I think I just want to thank everyone that, the whole film industry embraced me with open arms and gave me a, if I may use the word, a surrogate family when I came here to Mumbai. And but I've been very, very fortunate. I've been very fortunate. I had no struggling period. मुझे अगर गुंडे घेरेंगे तो किस हसीना को मैं बुलाऊंगा?
बुलाएंगे बचाने के लिए, आपकी रक्षा करने के लिए. दीपिका को छोड़कर
हाँ, मतलब ये कोई
कौन
सवाल
से
है?
एंगल से हसीना लग रहा हूँ यार?
मतलब किस एंगल से?
आप किस एक्ट्रेस को, बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस को आपके जहन में आएगी, या कौन वो फर्स्ट लेडी
पहले तो किसी गुंडे की हिम्मत नहीं कि मुझे सराउंड करे. और अगर कर लेगा तो मैं लड़कियों को क्यों बुलाऊंगा? मेरे फाजिल दोस्त रोहित को बुलाऊंगा, निकेतन को बुलाऊंगा. देखो कितने लंबे चौड़े खा पी के सब एकदम पहलवान हैं. इन सब को बुलाऊंगा. कहाँ हीरोइन को क्यों बुलाऊंगा? हीरोइन को तो किसी और चीज के लिए बुलाऊंगा ना, ऐसा ना गुंडों से लड़ने के लिए बुलाऊंगा. तुम लोग यार.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.